Building a mosque requires careful planning, adherence to regulations, and attention to detail to ensure it serves its purpose effectively. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to build a mosque. 1. Initial planning and design. Identify the purpose and need for the mosque in the community. Form a committee or working group responsible for overseeing the project. Determine the size, capacity, and architectural style of the mosque based on community needs and available resources. Hire an architect or architectural firm with experience in designing religious buildings. 2. Legal and regulatory requirements. Obtain necessary permits and approvals from local government authorities. Ensure compliance with building codes, zoning regulations, and any other legal requirements. 3. Site selection and acquisition. Choose a suitable location for the mosque that is accessible to the community and meets zoning regulations. Acquire the land needed for construction through purchase or donation. 4. Fundraising. Develop a comprehensive fundraising plan to finance the construction of the mosque. Engage with the community through fundraising events, donation drives, and outreach efforts. Seek donations from individuals, businesses, and organizations both within and outside the community. 5. Construction. Hire a